In this video, I'll show you how to pair your GShock GBD-200 to your iPhone or Android smartphone. This can be done in just a few minutes, so let's get started right away. The first thing we need to do is to download the GShock Move on your device. So go on the Apple Store or Play Store and you just have to type GShock Move, search, and it's this app over here. That's how it should look, GShock Move made by Casio. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Press Allow. Press Confirm Settings and Proceed. Now it's time to log in into your Casio ID. This is how they call it, and you're obligated to do so if you want to connect your watch to the app, to your smartphone. So go ahead and tap on over here, log in Casio ID. Press Continue. It'll bring you to the Casio website, and here you have to enter your email address and password. If you do not have an account, don't worry. You just need to click over here where it says not a member yet, create an account. From here you have the choice to register using a personal email address or log in using your Apple, Facebook or Google account. It's up to you to choose. Now I skipped the step where I registered and created a new account, since this only involves entering personal data. And after you click OK and you confirm and you make a new account, you're gonna go back into the app automatically. Then you'll get this message, you have logged in, press OK. Go down and then press Agree and Proceed. Again, same thing. Agree and proceed. Agree. Now here you're not obligated to accept to share your personal data with Casio. This helps to improve their app and their watches. It's up to you. If you want, I prefer not, so I'll click on Do Not Agree. Next. Here I'll tap on Allow while using the app. This is to use the GPS function, so it's up to you if you don't want. Allow. Next. Then allow if you want to receive notifications from this Casio app. And now it's time to connect the watch finally. You'll have to go down in this list and select the watch, which is over here, GBD-200. Tap on it. And now you just have to follow what's on the screen. So let's do it together. Take the watch. And it asks us to hold down this button over here, the top left corner button, during 2 seconds. So I will hold it, 1, 2. Okay, great. We are in this menu, and now we need to go down and select pairing. So to go down, you need to tap on the lower left button to go down in this menu until you select pairing. It's over here. It's on the third page, the first option. To select it, you just have to press the top right button once. And then you have to select Connect. Just press again on the top right button once. And now let's wait. Both of these will try to connect, and then you should see your Casio watch appearing over here in this list. Tap on it once. Then you should get a screen asking you to pair. Press pair and then press allow. Then press the next button on the app. And now it's time to enter your user profile. This information could be entered manually on the watch itself, but I'll be honest with you, it's a bit tedious doing so with these buttons, so it's better to do it on the app right now. Once you've finished enter all your information, press next. Press OK, OK, OK. So the profile has now been sent to your watch. Now here, this is important. If you want to track your GPS location, especially if, let's say, you're running or doing other exercise which involves the GPS to track you, if you allow and turn it on, it will use the GPS of your phone mixed with the data of your watch together to give you a more precise location. Then you may have some surprises and it may not be as accurate. So again, this is up to you if you're gonna use the GPS function to track you while you run. or not. I'll leave it to on and I'll press next. You'll get this screen done with a check mark and press get started. So now we are on the main screen of the app. It's now set up, it's now connected with your watch, which is great. So over here on the main screen, really quick, we have our monthly goals, weekly activity that you can see. You can also see this on your watch by pressing this button over here. You see monthly here. You get more information, but one thing that is important in my opinion, and most people want to go there, is press more here and then press watch. And here we're going to have many options that you can edit. I won't go through all of them, but these will be the settings that most people will edit if they want. So you have time display, if you want to program a timer, set alarms. Yes, you can do them on the watch itself, but I think it's much more easier on the smartphone rather than to press these buttons many times, and sometimes it's not very clear what you need to press where. So you can do most of the things that the watch can do through these settings that you can see over here. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.